All right, how you doing, everybody? It's Rich, and I'm back here on the peninsula as we get ready to receive the first big set of swells from Hurricane Genevieve. High tide. Oh, here comes a big one. High tide is in about 10 minutes. At this point, the swells have already washed away approximately 150 yards of the berm, and some of the plywood down there is already broken away, and there are waves overlapping again and onto the boardwalk. So this is round 3 of my recording as the peninsula residents here brace for yet another flooding event. So there you go, folks. This is a brief but hopefully introductory video here, and I will return in the morning and give everybody a look at the aftermath. So yeah, we got flooding down here. It's looking like it's going to be another long night. Take care, everybody.